Welcome, here I've got Motorola Moto E20 and let me show you how to turn on and off the camera mirror effect at this device. So let's start by tapping on camera button to open it, and for now we are in standard photo mode with back camera, so let's change it to the front one because the mirror effect is only available when we take selfies. So let's do it by tapping simply on this button from the left. And now we have to go to right corner button so we can open camera settings. Here in the capture settings category at the second position now we have image mirroring option, so by using the button from the right we can easily turn on and turn off our camera mirror effect as we need. And that's all, thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.